Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best cleaning kits for cars in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit. This car care kit combines value, performance, and adaptability in spades. Reusable microfiber towels, foam applicator pads, and a cleaning mitt are included in the set along with premium supplies to clean and protect everything from the tires to the roof. Inside the kit you will find car wash, liquid wax, tire gel, clay bar, quick detailer, Scratch X 2.0 etc. With a packed set of clay bars that remove entrenched dirt and Scratch X 2.0 that eliminates swirls, paint preparation is a breeze. For an unmatched sheen, Gold Class Car Wash and Liquid Wax Combine Conditioners, Carnauba, and Polymer Waxes. It gives your car long-lasting protection and maintains the shine. Quick Interior Detailer collaborates with one of our all-time favorite specialists, this brand's products, to handle total cabin cleanliness. For cleaning and polishing uncoated transparent plastic surfaces like gauge covers, Plastex is nothing short of magical. The Endurance Tire Gel offers a deep gloss finishing touch where the rubber meets the road, and the Quick Detailer acts as a lubricant for clay bars. Number 2. Our second best pick is Chemical Guy's HOL 126 14-piece car wash kit. This kit is the only one you need to clean, condition, preserve, and shine every surface, material, and finish on any type of vehicle. The California-based firm has a devoted fan base because of its unique and excellent product range, and the full package includes everything from powerful cleansers to fabric coatings that repel water. The necessary tools are also included in the arsenal builder. Up to 4.5 gallons of soapy water are kept clean by the bucket and cyclonic dirt filter, and dirt is kept off washing mitts and microfiber towels. Waxing is made easy with the help of applicators, and the brush has a short handle for easy application and proper bristles that other brushes lack. The foam gun foamy sprayer that comes with this package is powered by a garden hose and should be enough for most uses. If not, the Chemical Guys offer pressure washer owners another kit that includes a foam cannon. It includes Butter Wet Wax, Silk Shine Dressing, Diablo Will Gel, Signature Glass Cleaner, Cyclone Dirt Trap, Detailing Bucket, Torque Foam Blaster Foam Gun, Short Handle Brush, Microfiber Wash Mitt, and 3 microfiber towel. Number 3. Our third best pick is HMPLL Car Detailing Interior Cleaning Kit. You should definitely consider purchasing this car cleaning kit. A variety of various standard brushes to clean switches and knobs are included in this 10-piece interior detailer kit. There are 5 detail brushes of different sizes. There are 2 exclusive air vent brushes that help to clean dirt from vent leaves. And there are 3 wire brushes that are primarily for removing any kind of rust. The larger brushes are best suited for cleaning the exterior and wider areas of the car efficiently. The bristles are soft and can remove the dirt from the car gently to protect the area you're working on and avoid leaving scratch marks on painted surfaces. This car detailing brush set comes with solvent-resistant bristles that are suitable for any car cleaning task. Even after repeated usage, its bristles remain durable and odorless. It can be used in any dry or wet conditions. The smaller brushes can easily work their way into the nooks, cracks, corners, and tight spaces in the car. You'll definitely appreciate a decent assortment of brushes and tools inside, designed especially for difficult-to-reach regions. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is AUTODECO 25 PCS Microfiber Car Wash Set. This one is brand new and one of the best quality 25 pieces of car cleaning kit. The soft texture of the tools gives the car complete protection. It contains all the necessary tools like a window scraper, duster, microfiber towel, wax applicator, and many more to help you clean your car and bring back its luster. Its products and tools are made of high-quality materials that aids in cleaning your car effectively without affecting its paints. The best part is that all its tools and cleaning products come in a waterproof storage box that enables you to store them or carry them with you. It is the most comprehensive tool. The delicate material used to make the automobile cleaning equipment makes them soft, strong, and long-lasting. A piece of solid detergent may dissolve 4 liters of water, and the box can accommodate car cleaning wherever it is needed. This car cleaning kit ensures cleaning the exterior, interior, tires, etc., of the vehicle effectively. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is LIANXIN Car Cleaning Tools Kit. Every automobile needs a set of cleaning equipment, and this car cleaning tools kit is your best option if you're seeking to get one. Most kits either have too many or not enough components. These kinds of packages don't usually include everything you need to thoroughly and properly clean your car without doing more harm to it. The answer? Invest in a superior outfit like LIANXIN. It comes with 7 different brushes, and contains everything you need to quickly wash automobiles at home. The cleaning tool package includes sponge/sponge mop, a scraper, brush, and a microfiber cloth, all of which are useful and long-lasting. They fit neatly into your car's cup holder for convenient storage and are lightweight for carrying while you're on the run. Use the LIANXIN Car Cleaning Tools Kit both at home and at the office. A professional auto cleaning kit called this comes with 3 unique instruments for polishing your car. The sponge may be used to remove dirt and grime from your car's surface, the little brush can remove light dust particles, and the microfiber cloth can quickly remove even the hardest stains, like tar, oil, or bird droppings. After usage, just place all of the included products in the bag to ensure that they will always be available when required. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.